Unlock my door, please.
I'm on it. Okay.
Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the all-new level lock. This is a smart lock that works inside your existing door lock. So maybe you have a nice lock on your front door and you don't want to change it. You can actually hide it within the front door lock as long as you have one that's compatible. And this comes in at $229 and is compatible with Apple's HomeKit. So you can use Siri to unlock your door, for example. And I've worked with Level Lock to sponsor this video so I could show you more about this in depth. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Now we'll slide the box outside of the packaging and take the top off of the box. So we'll slide this out here, set it aside, and we have some paperwork or literature, and it looks like it's a quick start guide and just shows you how to install it and activate it. And then this is the parts list that comes in the box. Now inside the box, this is the main mechanism. This actually houses the motors and everything that drives Level Lock. So this will open and close your door. And then here is the lock itself. So this part actually is the part that keeps your house secure and of course slides out like that. Now inside of this is where you change the battery out. So instead of having to disassemble your door every time, you just unscrew the end and your battery goes in here. So it's a really nice setup. I think that's a smart idea. And then this just slides onto Level Lock and locks in place. And then once you activate it, it will slide out. Then you've got your wall plate, you've got some screws, and then we also have a little battery here. And you can see it's a CR2 battery. So we'll put that away, and then these are adapters for the different type of lock that you have. They simply slide into the Level Lock so that you can adjust it for whatever type of door lock you have, and that allows it to actuate the mechanism. So this is my current door lock, and what we need to do is disassemble it so that we can put the new Level Lock inside of it. It won't look any different when it's done. Now you saw me already set up the Level Lock app, so we'll go into the app and it's pretty simple and straightforward. My lock is listed here. I press and hold and it says unlocking. It comes back and lets me know that it's unlocked. And then press and hold and it locks. again, it's locked. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. We can also add some contacts. So if we want to add people to use the lock, we can do that right from here. And then we just have some other settings as well about our password, username, things like that. Now, the nice thing is you don't have to use the Level app. You can use HomeKit since it's built into that. So if I go to Home, that's why I don't have it on my home screen. I use the Home app. So here I have the lock. I press it and it will unlock. Takes a second and communicates back. Now, even though it's not responding that quickly here, it's actually unlocking much faster when you're next to it. So you'll see it says living room door unlocked. Press it again and it locks. And then you can set up automations to lock automatically at night and things like that using automation in the Home app. So if you want to create a new automation, say when people leave, for example, anyone leaves, we'll go next. And it says, what do you want to do when you arrive home, when you leave home? You can set it up to test the automation to actually, when you leave the house, have it actually lock for you. And then also you can share your HomeKit with family members as well. So I have this shared with my family. They can just unlock it and lock it from here. And you can also use Siri to do the same thing. So all you need to do is ask Siri to unlock your door or lock your door and it will lock. And so let's try that. Unlock my door, please.
Just a moment.
Now, I will say that Siri is sometimes slow with this, so it just depends what's going on.
Okay. The level lock is unlocked.
And you'll see that took a while, but I'm kind of remote right now. Let's lock it. Lock my front door, please.
I'm not sure what you mean.
So you have to say exactly what you mean. Lock my door, please.
I'm on it. Okay. The level lock is locked.
So you'll see it's locked. Now, one nice thing is it gives you notifications when you lock and unlock the door. So if I lock the door here, it will pop up on my display and say your door is locked. If I unlock it, it will do the same thing. So it's really simple and straightforward and very convenient. The nice thing is you can still use your keys to unlock and lock your door if you don't want to use the smart lock features. Or maybe there's someone that prefers to do it that way. You can still use it the same way and then use the smart lock if that's your preferred way. Now, Level Lock works with not only HomeKit, but also works with Android as well. And it's good for 1 million cycles, according to Level Lock. So it will move the cylinder in and out about 1 million times before it's rated to fail, if it fails. And so you can still use your key, of course. You can turn the lock to lock and unlock it, and it should last no problem. So just depending on how often you use it. And then that battery should last up to a year, depending on how often you use it as well. So you can replace the battery as often as 3 months if you're constantly cycling it, but if you're using it regularly, probably about a year. And so my only complaint about Level Lock is sometimes it's a little bit slow, especially if you use Siri, and HomeKit is not perfect. So of course I could always use the normal app, but in general it's a pretty great simple solution to keeping your house looking stock or normal with a nice lock that you already have, and that's really it. So let me know if you have any questions about Level Lock in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.